Keep ant-free conditions by turning post-baiting actions into consistent habits that remove attractants and block entry points. After successful baiting with ant gel, start by eliminating food and water sources that could lure new scouts. Wipe counters and sweep floors daily to remove crumbs and sticky residues, and store dry goods in airtight containers made of glass or rigid plastic with tight lids to prevent scent trails. Fix leaky faucets and reduce standing water near sinks and appliances because ants need water and even small drips can sustain a colony. Inspect and seal gaps around doors, windows, and utility penetrations using silicone caulk or foam backer rod, focusing on cracks wider than a grain of rice where ants can enter. Trim vegetation so it does not touch the house, and maintain a clear mulch-free zone of at least 12 inches along the foundation to reduce bridging pathways. Finally, schedule a quick walkthrough every 2 weeks for the first 3 months, then monthly after that, looking for fresh trails, droppings, or new foraging activity, and reapply small bait placements if you spot returning workers. Common mistakes include assuming one baiting fixes the problem forever, which leads to skipped inspections. Keep monitoring on a set schedule and refresh small bait stations when activity appears. Another mistake is leaving food in porous containers like cardboard or uncovered pet food bowls. Move food into non-porous sealed containers and clean bowls after use to remove residues. A frequent oversight is ignoring exterior entry points in landscaping. Seal gaps on the structure and cut back plants and tree limbs so ants cannot use them as bridges. And replace wet mulch with gravel or stone when feasible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with local listings and a discussion community where we and others share real experiences and practical tips about pest prevention. We help contractors find work through exposure to nearby projects and let homeowners learn from peers and professionals in our active forums.